Good morning, Doctor. We are Group 4 to present our project of BITS 1213 operating system to build out the DHCP, SATP, and REST service. Our group members are WONG, MUIZ, and AMIR. The visualization machine that we use in this project is Oracle VM VirtualBox, and the operating system that we use is Linux Debian 11. So now let's move to the VirtualBox to setting the network. For configuring network settings on both server and client, we have to setting out our network interface, configure IP address, and ensuring the proper connectivity. So first of all, we have to create two machines which are server and client. Now we go to the setting of the server. So we have to click on the network, and for the adapter one, to make sure they are enable network adapter attached to NAT. And the adapter 2, we also have enable network adapter which are attached to internal network and name is innet. And then we click OK. We go to the client setting, same as the server. We go to the network to make sure our adapter 1 is enable network adapter and attached to internal network, and then also is innet same as the adapter 2 of server. Then we click OK. Now we are in the terminal of the server to check the network it is reachable or not. First we pin the google.com to check the internet connectivity. So this output shows that our server can connect to the internet. Now we pin the IP address to check the connection of the server. The output shows that it can receive the message. This means server can connect. So now we move to the terminal of client. Now we are in the terminal of the client. Now we pin the IP address of the server in the terminal of client to make sure they can reach each other. Output shows that they can reach each other. The client success receives the reply from the server. That's all for me to configure the network of server and client.
Hi doctor, my name is Jai. Now I'm going to talk about my part DHCP. DHCP is a network administration protocol that uses client-server architecture to automatically assign IP addresses and other communication characteristics to devices connected to the network. And now, to test the connection between server and client, I need to check the IP address of the server and client to make sure they are normal working. This is the IP address of the server. And now I go to the client. And this is the IP address of the client. At server, I pin the IP address of the client to the server. And it shows it is normal working. And then I back to the client and pin the IP address of the server to the client. It also shows that it is normal working now. Now I want to check the server and client can access the internet or not. At server, I pin it to the Google. And it shows that it is working. So means that the server can access the internet. So I back to the client and I pin it to the Google. And it shows that the client cannot access the internet. That's all for the demo showing of my part. Thank you, doctor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's M.A.SHAT di teknologi 0323-10450. And phone cost BITI is Manjuraj. So I'm going to talk about the introduction of STTP, or as well might call them SSH file transfer protocol. As the name to it is a system where it transfers file web with such protocol. SSH is a secure shell with having a secure connection and making it more resistable to interception or even eavesdropping. It is more compatible with various operating systems. SFTP also allows the users to securely transfer files using remote systems. The users also that the users need to access by using credentials to initiate SSTP transaction. They also can perform file operations such as encoding, downloading, renaming, and even deleting files. Overall, SSTP is such a reliable and secure solution for business systems and individuals also to make data security and privacy during file transfer. That's the first for the second. So for the first, I'm going to make the editing. Sorry, because it's already exists. Again. To upload this text file from the server into the AMIR file at the client. As for the client, it should be for the client. Maybe AMIR. Yes. So let's see. They already uploaded. And we're going to fetch it. Yeah. So the purpose of SFTP is like a safe place we are going to store our file that we need recognition such as password to enter the file or to access the file by using put command in the server and and fetching in the client by using cat command. The put is for uploading command. The put command is for uploading the file from the server to the client, and then command by using command get, we are fetching the files from the server to client. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, Doctor. I'm Amir. Now I will complete my part. My part is part 5. It's a web service configuration. First, we have to open Debian, and we go to activities, the open terminal. First, we should insert this command to the apt install ph2. Actually, Doctor, this command we have inserted because we need to install this file. If we click enter, we should insert the password. And as you see here, Doctor, we installed it already, but if we need to check if the file is installed or not, we go to Firefox and write local host and click enter. As you see here, Doctor, PHP default its work and creation overview and file installed. Now we will back to terminal. Yes. Now we're going to see the directories. Okay, and we should change the directory of the file /var/www. We should see the directory now. It's HTML now, and we have to change the directory of HTML. We should insert cd change directory HTML. Okay, now we should also write ls to see the directory. Oh, as you see, Doctor, lineage HTML and index HTML. Now we should insert sudo nano HTML. Actually, Doctor, this command we use it to change the code of HTML. Now we can change the code of HTML. Now we should write HTML this and health and text. We should title object and we write // title and for the now, and now we should insert h1 and close it. It's a service and anything we should we can write here. I should write success our project or group for project is working group for project is working, and finally we should write /h1 and finally we should write backslash and also /html. Now, if we want to save this code, we should enter Ctrl+O, enter, and if we need to exit this page, we should enter Ctrl+X. Now, we want to check if the code is already changed or not. We go to Activities, Firefox. We should insert local host /niche HTML. As you see here, Doctor, the web service configuration already success group 4 project is working. And thank you so much, Dr. Wahida.